Central Vigilance Commission. That is one of the most important commission appointed by the central government recommendation. The CVC, Central Vigilance Commission, chairman and other members are appointed by the President of India with consultation of Prime Minister, referred by the Prime Minister and Union Cabinet. At present, one chairman and two other members are working in Central Vigilance Commission. Central Vigilance Commission is one of the important commission. The aim of Central Vigilance Commission is to abolish corruption in Indian administrative system or government authority, to abolish corruption in government authority or among the government administrators. So it is having free of control from the any executive or any executive from the central government or any other body to exercise their authority to investigate, to monitor vigilance work at central level. It was set up by the central government on the basis of the Union Government resolution on 11th February 1964. On the basis of the recommendation of the which was headed by K. Santanam Committee. K. Santanam Committee referred to form Central Vigilance Commission at central level. At present, Chairman of the Central Vigilance Commission is Sanjay Kothari, incumbent since March 2020. The aim of Central Vigilance Commission is to address governmental corruption throughout our country, that is threat to development of our country. So it works perfectly, maximum its responsibilities in our country.